Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a very quick 30-minute speed clean to get kick-started with my Get Organised With Me week. So it is January, it's a brand new year, and I wanted to do a week long, so Monday to Friday I will be uploading videos all about like getting organised. So I've got a lot of different things coming up in terms of wardrobe clear out, jewellery, makeup organisation, storage solutions, all that kind of thing. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you like these kind of videos and want to see more of them. And if you want to see how I speed clean my house in around about 30 minutes, then just keep watching. Right, the flora of the day. I've still got a few Christmassy ones left, and considering it's still winter, I think I'm gonna go with winter morning. Grab these two cloths. And just to sort of run through and give you an overview of what sort of products I use. Firstly, Hoover, obviously. This is a floor cleaner from B&M. It didn't come with like a detachable microfiber cloth, which is kind of annoying. So I just use a standard microfiber cloth. I couldn't find any ones to fit that, which was kind of annoying. But yeah, like I said, I use a typical microfiber cloth and it works fine, does the job. And I use it with this floor cleaner, the Flash All-Purpose. And then for carpets, I'll just spritz, or sprinkle I should say, a bit of this Glade Lily of the Valley carpet cleaner refresher, and then hoover it up. And then to clean any surfaces down, what I do first of all is give it a dust, which I bought a new duster from B&M at £2.99. I've got this one for all like surfaces I can reach, and then I've got this longer one for hard to reach places at £3.99. It's got one of these like extendable things. And then I've also got this bamboo scrubbing brush at £1.99, which I use for my sofa. And loads of microfiber cloths, and I also use these surface wipes just to like kind of get rid of the main bulk of dirt and grease, and then I'll go over with an all-purpose spray. This is the Flash Citrus Lemons, or no, Crisp Lemons, sorry, one, so I like the smell of that one. In the bathroom I'll use this Astonish bathroom cleaner though, but then after wiping down the surfaces I'll put a bit of the Zaflora diluted down with water, spritz all over the surfaces, and just wipe it down with a clean microfiber cloth. And then I'll also fill up the sinks with a bit of Zaflora and hot water as well, just because it makes the house smell amazing. So they are all the products that I'm going to be using. I actually need to do a bit of a tidy up as well, so if it takes a little longer than 30 minutes then that's why, because it's a bit of a mess as well. So if I already had a tidy house, doing a speed clean would take a bit quicker, but because I need to tidy up a little bit as well, then it may take a little longer. So get ready for the time lapse.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the to do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, so alone. I met you in the I met you in the You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you
And there you have it. Speed clean done. I aim to do speed clean like this at least once a week, and then maybe more of a deep clean maybe once a month, every few weeks maybe. That is going to be my aim for the rest of this year, is to keep on top of everything, just because I find when you keep on top of it, it's a lot easier to clean rather than letting it get a real state and then having to do like a deep clean, which like is just, ugh, I hate doing deep cleans. That's my phone. I think Tom is messaging. We're gonna go for a nice little lunch now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this speed clean with me. Give it a thumbs up if you did. I got a little wet in the bathroom if you saw the shower spray move there. I'll just ignore that one. And don't forget to stay tuned for the rest of this week, where I will be continuing on my Get Organised with me for January videos. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this video, and if you want more series, like week-long videos throughout the rest of the year, maybe like I could do a series every month of some kind, let me know some suggestions down below and I'll be sure to do that. As for now, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye guys.